Situated just a short walk from Mosman village, this timeless character home offers exceptional lifestyle. Hi, my name's David Smearley, proudly representing Pello, and I cannot wait to show you this incredible home. An attractive period facade delivers instant street appeal, while a step inside reveals renovated interiors that have been beautifully opened up to provide a light and airy living experience. Perfectly designed single-level living, this property is ideal for downsizers looking for privacy, lifestyle, and low-maintenance living. The open-plan kitchen and living area creates a wonderful sense of space and flows effortlessly out onto the entertaining deck through bifold doors. The elegant stone kitchen provides ample storage, preferred gas cooking, dishwasher, as well as European appliances. All bedrooms are oversized with built-in wardrobes. The master bedroom also features a beautiful ornate fireplace and its own ensuite bathroom. The property includes a stylish gas fireplace in the living area, as well as ducted reverse cycle air conditioning. Other features include hardwood timber floors, wool carpet, as well as off-street parking. This incredible property is located just a level walk from express city buses, local schools, as well as an array of boutique shops, bars, and cafes. Having walked you through this home, I know that this is a property that is not going to last long. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or one of my team, and we look forward to seeing you at our next inspection.